Get the old broken bolt and stud extractor out, and okay, now we can do something else with it. That's going to need welding up, and I need the thing that goes on here to get the position of the hole to, well, I don't know what we're going to do. Put a solid plug in, probably. Right, I think what I need to do here is to plug this hole up. And since it's threaded, I'm going to make a threaded plug. This hole, the original one, which we want to restore, the thread lower down is okay, but it's missing at the top, so this really needs a helicoil. I can't put a helicoil in when there's a gap here, so yeah, I'll plug this up and I'll just make a threaded aluminium plug. I was wondering about welding across the top, but I think what I'll do is I'll try and make it tight enough that it bottoms out when I screw it down as far as it'll go, and also put some Loctite retaining compound on it, and then hopefully I'll be able to drill this out oversize. I might have to run a milling cutter down it first because it's liable to push off once this is plugged up. We'll see how we get on with that. This hole over here is not very clever either, that really needs a helicoil, but let's get this one sorted out first, and first thing is to make this plug. I've got this piece just turned down to 6mm diameter, just a random piece of scrap alley that I had lying around, and I'm going to use tailstock die holder, and I've got this screwed in to open up the die as far as it will go, so that we have a nice maximum size thread, so it should be a nice tight fit in the hole. That's the theory anyway. Well, that looks good. Let's go and see if it actually fits okay. Well, I think we got an oversized thread here. This is a pretty decent hole, original hole, and that's tight in there. That does not want to screw into that. A standard 6mm bolt. Does as it should, and if we try this piece in here, the hole that we've got to plug up, that is pretty, that's ridiculous sloppy, even though this is an oversized thread. That is really sloppy, but as we go down, it tightens up. So I think I will cut this off, just leave me something to grip on so I can tighten it up, and then I think I need to get this hole aligned with this machine spindle before I screw the plug in. Well, I could only find a really short 5mm dowel pin, but I think that's doing the job, and I think that's pretty much lined up. I reckon so. That I think is good. So go ahead and screw this in. I'm going to get some Loctite on it. Well, I think that's bottoming out in this thread. So we'll leave that for now. Come back to it tomorrow, cut that off and try and get a helicoil in the other hole, the proper hole. Right, I think this needs doing as well. It's a bit wobbly up here. Yeah. Just got to straighten out the top of this hole. Well, that all looks good to me. Oh, can we see inside there? Yep, good.